Okay, so guys, I want to show us the simple way to open a page. If you've been struggling to open another page and the Facebook tell you that you've opened too many pages recently, so here is the simple way out. Okay, so before then, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, put on the notification bell so that you can be the first to be notified each time I post a video like this. Okay, so stick with me, let's do it. So here is my profile. Okay, here is my profile, one of my profile. So if you want to open a page, what you have to do is click on pages icon here. Okay, so here is some pages that I've been managing. So what you have to do is click on create icon. Okay, this is where it brings us. So you go this way, you press start. Okay, then you choose a Facebook name. Okay, based on your business or whatever you want to do. Okay, so choose a name. Let's choose any name. Okay, so because you can still change it. Business consultant. Okay, so press next. Now it brings you here, so you have to choose a category. Okay, so I choose consulting agency. You can choose up to 3. Okay, so let's choose more. Business center. Let's choose more again, just for this business consultant, for this tutorial purposes. Okay, so we've selected our what's happening. Okay, we've selected our category, so you press create. Now it tells us you have created too many pages recently, please try again later. Okay, so look at what we'll have to do. We'll go back. So quickly go to your app store. Okay, if you're using an iPhone. So all right, so go to search. Please, you have to install Thunder VPN. Okay, this one right here. So install it. Hold on, we're trying to download it. Okay, we've downloaded it. We open it. Just stick with me. Okay, you agree to the terms and conditions, you allow. Okay, not now. Okay, you tap to connect. Okay, it's very easy. Allow. Okay, now I type my password. Now it's connecting. Okay, it's now. Okay, skip the edge. Okay, it's now connected. Now go back to your Facebook. Okay, so let's just go back and start afresh. Okay, let's click create. Get started, just like we did before. Business consultant. Okay, press continue, create. Okay, now we choose a category, very important. Business consultant, and business center. I think, yeah, that was what we choose before. Okay, so you press create. Okay, hold on. Boom, you've successfully created your page using a VPN to bypass the you have created too many pages recently brouhaha. Okay, so this is it. Then the next video, I'm going to tell us how to go about creating a successful page, and then I will tell you the other way to bypass if you don't want to use VPN. I'm still gonna drop it here. You can check our other videos. Okay, I dropped tutorial on how to grow and maintain your social media platforms such as YouTube and Facebook. Okay, so stick with me. I hope you subscribe. For the returning subscribers, I love you all. Peace. So if you want to create more, you can just put on everything that you needed. Okay, this is a page. Thank you.